In today's video, we will create a post-processing filter to apply a pixelation effect to the entire screen. Hello ladies and gentlemen, I hope you are doing well and having a great day. We will continue where we left off in the first part and create a new post-processing filter. Let's name it Pixelation filter. Now we are going to create a new filter pass and name it Pixelation. Then we can edit the shader code. We will create a pixel size uniform, so we can adjust the pixel size later in the material inspector. The Pixelate Screen UV function snaps UV coordinates to a grid of fixed-sized blocks, creating a pixelated effect by making each pixel block sample the same texture color. Here we get the screen size by using the GLSL function texture size. We pass in color, provided by Cave, which holds the current screen buffer. Now we are calling our Pixelate Screen UV function. At this point, instead of smooth UVs, we have stepped UVs that create a pixelation effect. Then we are going to use the pixelated UVs when sampling the texture. Finally, we will output the pixel color from the shader. Okay, let's recompile the shader. And finally, let's apply the shader to the scene. And there we have it! A pixelation effect of the entire screen in just a few lines of code. In the Uniforms tab of the Post-Processing Inspector, you can adjust the pixel size to your likings. Leave a like if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.
Feels so good.